Look, Hoodrich fam, at this point, I'm just trying to get rid of these goddamn hoodies. So when you purchase a hoodie, you will be receiving the Travel Hacking Off the Swipes ebook, the Shelf Corporation Age Corp Secrets ebook, all three for $39.99. Y'all tap in, link under the description for the website. What's good, Hoodrich fam, man? It's your boy, Hoodrich Credit, back again with another fucking banger, man. You feel me? Look, Hoodrich fam, today I got a very special video for y'all today. Today I'm going to be breaking down Penfed Credit Union with their auto loan, how to actually get approved for this shit. I know I did a breakdown on Penfed a good minute ago, but the reason why I'm bringing it back to light is because most of y'all, when it comes to auto loan financing, you guys only choose Navy Fed. And you guys are sleeping on these other institutions. Like, you guys got options. I always tell y'all, in the credit game, you want to have options. If an institution is not showing you love, not throwing you that bag, okay, I got my other institution that will throw me that bag. Okay, y'all. This is just like the real world. You have to have options. You know what I'm saying? For example, like, you a dude, a girl screwing you over. Okay, I got a shawty, she treating me better. Or, the same goes with the females. Y'all can do it with these, dudes out here that is playing y'all. So just compare this shit to the real world, man. The credit game is very simple to understand. So y'all have to have options in the credit game, man. So here's another option you guys can go for with Penfed Credit Union instead of Navy Fed. That pool is a different bureau, okay, y'all? Especially when you're in the Turo game, you want to have options with different auto loan financing institutions, okay, y'all? So let's get straight into it. I did write down some data points for y'all that you guys want to understand how to actually get approved, shit that people don't tell y'all, okay? So first of all, with Penfed Credit Union, they are going to be open nationwide. All you got to do is deposit $5 and you in. Compared to Navy Fed, you don't got to go through the whole, membership process. Oh, I got a family member that was in the military that passed away. You don't have to do the backdoor method. You just deposit $5 and you in. Another thing with Penfed, show them deposits right off the bat. That's what I recommend with any institution. You want to show up deposits, right? Show up deposits, or if you can, set up direct deposit. Now they know how you move. Now they can trust you more. You know what I'm saying? Now they will throw you that bag because they trust you more. You already showed them how you move. You're not just trying to bust a quick play with this institution. Okay, y'all, you just got to sugarcoat it up a little bit, okay? But with Penfed Credit Union, you can pre-qualify right off the bat. So, you don't really have to build that relationship with them, but it's always best to do it just for your auto loan approvals to be high. You know what I'm saying? The more you show up that relationship, the more chances you're going to get approved for more financing and just in general get approved. Okay, y'all? So it's best to build that relationship for at least 3 to 6 months of showing deposits. 3 months is okay. But if you don't want to do that, you can pre-qualify right off the bat, see what they throw at you, and you straight. Okay, y'all? So yeah, I did write down that. Build that relationship up. You can pre-qualify right off the bat if you like. If you continue with the application, it will be a hard pull, and they will be hard pulling your Equifax credit report. Like I said, this is an institution that pulls Equifax, and Navy Fed, when it comes to auto loan financing, they're gonna pull your TransUnion. But if you're trying to go for a business auto loan with Navy Fed, they're gonna pull your Experian. Okay, on the business side, they pull Experian, but with Penfed, it's going to be strictly your Equifax credit report. So there's another institution that pulls a different bureau, especially like I said, if you're in the Turo game, you need financing, and you're trying to get some 2 whips on your personal, it's another institution you can stack, right? Pulls different bureau. They're not going to see the same hard pull, okay? So what else did I want to say, man? They're going to pull your Equifax. If you need a backdated auto reporting, let me know. That's another thing, man. Look, with my backdated auto, the reason why I wanted to bring this up is because I have a backdated auto that I help people get approved for, auto loan financing. Because think about it, right? When you have a backdated auto on your report, let's say you got reported 50K, which I can do, right? You have 50K reported on your auto loan. What people don't know about the auto loan financing game is they want to see comparable car credit, okay, y'all? So let's say you're trying to get approved for a 100K auto loan. You're going to need at least half of that reported to your credit, just so it shows that you know how to keep up with a 50K auto loan. At least half of what you're trying to get approved for. Common sense, okay, y'all? So if you got 50K backdated on your report showing up as a primary, now these lenders, they trust you with approving you for that higher ticket auto loan. Like I said, especially if you're in the Turo game, you in the car rental space, you're trying to have an exotic on your fleet of cars, then it's best to do this method, okay, the backdated auto. And the reason why I wanted to bring this up, another reason why, is because my backdated auto is only going to report to your Equifax and your Experian. Okay, y'all. Most lenders pull Experian. Okay, y'all. But the thing is, some of y'all might have an issue with that because you guys are building your relationships with institutions like Navy Fed. That's why I tell y'all it's always best to have relationships with other institutions that pull different bureaus. Okay, y'all. But like I said, it's gonna be a problem for some of y'all that already have relationships being built with institutions like Navy Fed that pull TransUnion, because that backdated auto is not going to report to your TransUnion. That's why you have Penfed, an institution you can pre-qualify. You have that backdated auto reporting. You got that 50K if you're trying to get approved for a higher ticket auto loan. Some of y'all trying to get the Hellcats. That's what a lot of people, hit me up for. Y'all should see my DMs. People be hitting me up. Yo, I'm trying to get it approved for a Hellcat. Yada, yada, yada. I got good credit. But they don't have no auto loan. They don't have no backdated auto on their report. That shit is popular. Like, everybody hit me up. I'm trying to get a, scat pack. I'm trying to get a Hellcat. The charges is very popping, man. So that's what people are trying to get approved. A Hellcat is, more higher auto loan financing. You get what I'm saying? People are trying to get these Hellcats, these jailbreaks. Y'all get the point, okay, y'all? So you need that backdated auto. You need that comparable credit. It's gonna report to your Equifax and your Experian. That's why you got Penfed. If you need an institution that pulls, Equifax when it comes to auto loan financing, you got Penfed. Also, too, if you want to keep the line open, it's gonna be $100 monthly. That's what a lot of people need to understand. But if you're trying to bust a quick play, just get that auto loan, you straight. You don't got to pay the $100 monthly to keep that 50K auto loan Tradeline open. And it's going to cost $3K. So you can kind of look at it as a down payment to bust a play. So $3K for that 50K auto loan. And if you want $100K, I can even add $100K on your report. That's going to be $5K. Okay, y'all. And like I said, $3K for $50K, $5K for $100K. And if you want it, keep it open on your credit report. It's going to be $100 monthly. But like I said, once again, you don't really have to do that if you're just trying to bust a quick play. Okay, y'all? Did I break down the simple data points? Okay, the simple data points on how your profile should look like before you get this auto loan is no recent accounts, right? No recent accounts in the last 6 months. This is a mistake that a lot of people do. You're not gonna get approved for no financing with no institution if you got some recent accounts. You look like you desperate for credit, like you need credit. And if anybody knows anything about the credit game, when you come off like you need credit, that's when they deny you. Okay, y'all, so no recent accounts in the last 6 months. You have to let it age. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Even if you add that backdated auto on your report, you still got that recent account. If you understand what I'm saying, you're still gonna get denied. Okay, y'all, no recent accounts, no recent inquiries. Inquiries don't really matter like that. I've gotten people approved for funding with an inquiry being aged a month, 2 months. You know what I'm saying? So that really doesn't matter. As long as it's not more than one inquiry, okay, y'all? No recent accounts, no recent inquiries, utilization under 10%. That's what I always recommend. 10%, the sweet spot is 2 to 5%. So pay down your balances. No negatives in the best case, but you can still get approved for an auto loan with having negatives on your report, as long as they're not recent. Okay, I'm talking about old negatives on your report. Let me think. I think that's it. I'm telling y'all, when you put somebody on the spot, it's hard to think. I think that's basically it, man. Because in this case, you're already gonna have that backdated auto on your report. I always say you need something on your report that is at least a year and a half of age, but you have that backdated auto if you decide to go with me. So, another thing that I wanted to show y'all, that's basically it for the simple data points. With the auto loan financing, you guys can go to TrueCar. That's what Penfed offers. Powered by TrueCar, Penfed car buying service. So if you don't want to go shopping around, go to all these dealerships, you can just find the car that you want to get, right? Find a new car, find a used car, plug in your zip code, and you'll find the model and go pick up your whip. Okay, y'all? So this is how you get approved for this Penfed auto loan. Y'all tap in with me if you guys are interested in that backdated auto. Hit my DM. It's gonna be under the description. And yeah, man, y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich Wake on.